In this video, I am going to share you how to generate free traffic from Pinterest in 2026. I'll walk you through 6 simple steps that you can follow to drive consistent traffic from Pinterest. Even no ads, no followers and no likes. I will share just few simple strategies that most people completely ignore. Step 1. Keyword layering. One of the most important part of Pinterest is keyword layering, and honestly where the most people are completely mess up. What they usually do is they just add keyword in the title and that's it. But that's a big mistake. Here is the one thing: Pinterest doesn't just read your title. Pinterest also read your pin image and description. So if you are only using keyword in one place, basically it making harder for Pinterest to understand your content. And you say, I'm posting every day but nothing is working. And that's why keyword layering is so important. It's simple idea. You can use the same keyword in your pin title, pin description and pin image. And when you do that, Pinterest clearly understand what your content is about. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you are in the home decor niche. Most people create something like this. The pin title home decor idea, image text living room setup and description modern home inspiration. Now look at this. Pinterest gets confused. Is it about general decor? Is it about living room setup? Or is it about just modern design? Nothing is really clear and honestly it just feels kind of generic. Now compare that with this one. Title is small living room decor, image text is small living room setup and description is small living room decor idea for apartment. Now this is clear. Same keyword everywhere, same message. And Pinterest understand it instantly. So next time you create a pin, just focus on the keyword layering. Step 2. Your pin is not for like, it's for click. Let's fix another big mistake. People spend hours for creating beautiful pin, but no one click on them. Because Pinterest is not looking so much pretty pin, actually generate curious. Think about it. When is the last time you clicked on something boring? Exactly. Let's see another example. Living room idea. Try this. 7 small living room idea that look expensive. Tiny living room. Try this layout. Feel the difference? Now you are not just showing the design, you are pulling people in. That what gets click. Step 3. Consistency. And consistency is the real key to success on Pinterest. If you want result from Pinterest, you need to be consistent in Pinterest because maximum people at the beginning they actually post 3 or 5 pin per day, and after that they check their analytics and see no click, low impression, and they just stop their posting. But maximum people don't realize Pinterest takes time. A well optimized pin can take up to 45 days for generate traffic from Pinterest. So it's normal, you're not getting traffic by instant posting, right? So of course you need to be consistent in every single day. Now we can talk about the pinning frequency per day. We can start at least 5 pin per day minimum, and not more than 10 pin per day. Also it's depend on actually it's your account health, your niche, category, account age. Step 4. Trend and search. Most people choose on trend or search, but I recommend to choose both because trend gives you faster traffic, but search or keywords give you longer traffic. Here is the trend mean actually some topic is related to seasonal or some topic is related to actually hot item. If you want to get the best value from Pinterest trend, you need to upload content at least 2 or 3 months earlier. Like you are creating pin Christmas home decor in December, but you are already in late. You need to upload this content in September or October. So when you combine both actually trends plus keyword, you get traffic now and later. Your pin keeps ranking for months and Pinterest understand your content much faster. That's the sweet spot. So what should you do? Use seasonal keywords plus niche keywords together. Like this small apartment Christmas decor idea, you add keywords in your title, your description, or your pin text. And most important, start posting before on trend, and that's how you win on Pinterest. Where you send traffic. Most beginners do this. They use direct affiliate link and they wonder actually why nothing is working. Low impression, no click, account feels stuck. Remember, Pinterest does not just rank your pin on the basis of your keyword. It also tracks how people behave after the click. Things like, did they click your link? Did they stay on the page? Did they leave right away? Did they save your pin? Now here's the problem, and most affiliate pages load slow, look kind of spammy, and don't match what the pin promise. So what happens? Someone clicks on your pin and leave your landing page within 1 or 2 seconds, and it completely impact with your Pinterest account health. And Pinterest see and think it's not a good content, and boom, your reach will be down. On the other hand, if your website or if your landing page qualityful, then audience actually spend more time like 10, 20 or 30 seconds, then Pinterest think, okay, it's the good content. That's why bloggers and rich affiliate marketers actually dominate this market. So instead of just send traffic to your common landing page, you can send people to a blog, great for long-term traffic, a Shopify store, better for branding and conversion, and it's the listing already trusted by buyers, or even a simple landing page. Let me share a simple flow. We can upload a pin, then blog, then give value your product. Why this work? People stay longer, they trust you more, and they are more likely to buy. Remember, Pinterest prefer this: fresh content plus valuable destination, not just looking a good pin. Of course, you need to upload a qualityful and valuable pin that brings value, that making curious to people click on your pin. Also, Pinterest understand your content and Pinterest understand your audience. So finally, in this video, I have discussed 5 different topics that you can follow for generate traffic in Pinterest in 2026. So let's recap them. The step 1 or first steps are keyword layering. Step 2, your pin is not for likes, it's for click. Step 3, consistency. Step 4, trends plus search. And step 5, where you send traffic. So I think you are already familiar with these 5 steps, and if you have any questions on this step, just share your thoughts this video comment section. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.